have this beautiful house in a yucky yard.
Oh, no!
I need somebody to come help me. I just can't do all of this myself. Yes, sir. I need a bunch of loads of dirt, and I need it now. Thanks. I hope he comes fast.
Hey guys, I'm interrupting this video to bring you an important announcement. YouTube gave us the bell. What does that mean? That means if you click the bell right there, right up there, you see it? If you click that bell, anytime that we post a new video, you will get notified and you'll be able to be one of the first people to see it. So make sure you click that bell. Okay, back to the video. Bye.
Sawyer, this is gonna take forever. Oh gosh, my new pedicure.
Oh no!
I don't want to do this. I'm calling for help. Construction men? Yes, I need your help. I need you to move all of my dirt. Thanks. Come on, Sawyer. I don't want to do this.
No, 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 no! Hey, ma'am! Did you call for some workermen?
Yes, I did. Thank you for coming. I need all of that dirt moved into my landscaping like yesterday. So do it now.
Woo! That's a big dirt pile, but we can handle it.
All right, we'll get started. Well, I'm going to sit back and watch.
Okay, time to dump it. Done. Yeah, wait, a little more. Okay. Ryder, this is gonna be a long day. I think we should just go take a break. Yeah. This is the life.
What? Why are you guys already laying down and taking a break? You haven't even been working for that long. Get up!
Hey, Ryder, look, I made a cup holder.
Excuse me, I'm talking.
What?
Get to work.
Okay. Huh? Who's that baby? Hey, Ryder! What? How about we just jump our truck on here? I don't think we're gonna make it because of all this dirt. Let's try that again. Okay.
What? One pile of dirt is all they've done?
Oh no!
What are they doing? What? This is what you guys are doing? You're playing on my dirt pile and not building my flower bed?
Sorry, ma'am. We're just having fun. That's the dude way.
Dude way or not, I paid you for a job. Get it done now.
Jeez, she's not very patient. Okay, then I guess we have to work with that baby. Hey, you got dirt on me! No, I didn't. Hey, let's see how far we can throw the door. Good idea!
What? You boys! Now you're jumping from the pile? That's it! You're fired! Go! Okay. Can't believe I have to do this by myself now.
Hi guys, here's all of us. I'm Braxton. And I'm Ryder.
I'm Michelle. This is Sawyer.
I'm Jesse.
Make sure that you click that red subscribe button right now and click the bell right next to it. Click that bell
It's
right now.
over there. It's over
Right
there.
over there.
You know, you can't miss it. It's right there. It's the red button. And make sure you click the bell button too, so you can see all of our new videos as soon as they come out. Ain't that right, Ryder? Okay.
Bye.